touch switch, battery positive, positive output, ground negative, battery positive, positive output, positive LED bulb 3.7 volts, ground negative, negative LED bulb, negative battery. Touch to turn it on, touch to turn it off, touch, touch, on, off, on.